palmistry reading of a male whose age is 48. We'll be reading his hand and we'll be talking about few points out here. The head and the lifeline are joined at the start. This is the first point. Second point is money triangle. The person does have a money triangle in his hand. Third is the Mercury line. Fourth, Jupiter lines that you see under the first finger. Fifth, break in the money line at the age of 53. It could bring about few changes. And lastly, clarity in the headline towards the end. It is a major thing because clarity in any line brings good aspects to one's life, and specifically when it is at a later stage of one's life. So one by one, let's go through each and every point. Before I start the video, I would request you to press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update. You can get a palmistry reading from me. You can call me or you can email me. These are the phone number and the email that are mentioned on the screen. Now we straight away head to this particular hand image that we have in front of us. And the first point that we are talking about is both the head and the lifeline are joined at the start. So this is the thing that we will be talking in the first phase. This is the headline and this is the line of life. Now both these lines are joined together at the start for a very long duration of time. Normally it is not like this. Very few people do have this kind of an indication. It is a major indication to have. It basically signifies that the person is likely to be very cautious, shy, hardworking, and contemplating. These two lines, when both are joined together at the start, it means these particular qualities. It also means that the person is not rash by nature. The person is not outgoing. The person may be shy and is contemplating. Now, a person who contemplates might lose opportunities in their life. Many opportunities might come, but they might lose in their life. Now, a person may be disheartened when they feel that they are losing opportunities in their life. But in my case, what I feel is that it is basically a good indication to lose opportunities because you are left with fewer opportunities and you have that option to concentrate on one or two things in your life. And that's the reason why you specialize in your life, and that's the reason why the chances for your success increases. But such people, success comes in the later portion of one's life. Now the later portion could be after the age of 35, or it could be after the age of 44, 48. It could be, it's just an approximation. It could be after 40s or 44. That's just an approximation. So what it basically means is that these people are very slow, and such people, what they are doing is that they are snail paced, and they, in the hare and tortoise story, they are the tortoise, and tortoise wins the race ultimately, provided the tortoise sticks to the path this race was decided for. If the path was this and the tortoise basically diverts from the path, then basically even the tortoise might lose the race. So this is what is represented by the headline and the lifeline joined together at the start for. And do not think that losing opportunities would ultimately would not give success, because many people, they have such a sign and the success is much better towards the later portion of one's life. So this is a very important aspect. The second aspect that we see out here, we talked about, is the money triangle. Now the money triangle is formed by three lines. One is the money line, the second is the Mercury line, and the third is the headline. Now the timings on the line of money, from, if we just calculate, this is the money line, so this portion where the money triangle forms is somewhere close to the age of this could be approximately the age of, around the age of 29. This is the approximate age on the timings on the money line. And the intersection of the head, this is the head, and the money line out here, this intersection out here is age 35. So we are talking about the money triangle getting formed before the age of 35. And a money triangle is a combination of money line. Money line means money, the first thing. The second is the line of Mercury. Mercury lines are the lines of skill. Mercury is all about knowledge. It's the smallest planet, and the smallest planet is known for the knowledge. This is the area of your skill. This is the area of your communication and calculations. All these things are depicted by the mount of Mercury and the line of Mercury. So if the line of Mercury is good, if the line of Mercury is deep and clear, it signifies that the person is sharpening their skills. So automatically, see, the questions a person may have is that, will I be successful? Am I successful? Or these kind of things. So the things that we are looking on your hand are signs that are likely to give you success. And in real life, if you just think about who is going to be more successful, a person who has got skill is going to be more successful. So a person who has got the line of skill is likely to be successful. So the money triangle is the formation of the money line in palmistry, and the Mercury line, the line of skill, and the line of head. So these three lines basically form these things. So money is the money part, the Mercury line is the skill part, and the headline is the thought process part. So the thought process part, if you just take a look, so this is the portion, this intersection I've already talked about, the headline and the money line intersection. This age is 35. So after the age of 35, we are just taking a look from the age of 35 till the age of probably 55 or so. You see clarity in the line of head, the thought process. So the thought process is stable. That's the reason why the person would be able to be successful. Although there are few negative kind of lines that are coming and touching out here after the age of 35 and before the age of probably 44, and another cut is forming. But these cuts are reasonably they're not very strong, and they're not having a deep impact on the headline. So there could have been troubles, but those troubles the person would have sailed through. So don't think that it is of too bad. So money triangle I've already explained. Now we could talk about the Mercury line. Now the Mercury lines are, this is the Mercury line, but apart from this Mercury line, you also have these perpendicular Mercury lines that you see. I'm just going to be showing you another hand image, the left hand image. On the left hand, you can see these perpendicular lines much more clearly. The area of the mount of Mercury has got few lines over it. It is always better to have few lines over the mount of Mercury or any other mount. It's not only this particular mount. The lesser the lines, the better it is considered to be in palmistry. This is the Mercury line that we are referring to, the long one, and the short one under the mount of Mercury. So both these lines are considered to be good. Perpendicular lines means that the person is sharpening the skills. If they are deep and clear, it means that the person is sharpening the skills. If these lines were very dim, barely visible, it would mean that the person needs to sharpen their skills even further. You would notice this particular very dim kind of a line, out here. So those are, the person needs to sharpen their skills even further. But we are not going to be looking at these very small and dim lines. We just have to need to have even one line is good enough for success, and a person has got two lines, even those is considered to be good for success. Don't think if the person has got 5-10 lines, then the person is going to be more successful. Even one line is good enough for success. So Mercury is a very important planet. If a person had crisscrossing lines over it, that would mean that the person is likely to miscommunicate and miscalculate. So the person is not miscalculating, the person is not miscommunicating. So in both ways, it's a good sign to have less lines over the mount of Mercury. I'm just going to take a look at the other hand image that we have. You'll notice that there are many perpendicular, 2, 3, 4 perpendicular lines, but these lines are a little bit dim compared to the left hand. So if they were much more deeper and clearer, I would have said certainly much better indications in this particular person's case. Now we move on to the fourth line that we talked about, that is the Jupiter line. Now the Jupiter lines are the lines under the mount of Jupiter. Now Jupiter, what you know about Jupiter is that Jupiter is the biggest planet, and big planet basically means growth, expansion, ambition in your life, honor in your life. All these things are depicted by the mount of Jupiter. Now you'd notice that this is the line of head and this is the line of life, and few lines are kind of joining into the line of life or the line of head. It could be either one of them, it doesn't matter much. So lines from Jupiter, when they kind of originate on the mount of Jupiter and join the line of head or the lifeline, it indicates that the life, if it joins the lifeline, it means your life is getting guided by Jupiter. If it joins your head, it means your head is getting guided by Jupiter. And the quality of Jupiter is big, expansion, growth, all these things in your life. Although these lines join the line of head or the lifeline at an early age, this line joins somewhere at the age of 15, this line joins somewhere close to the age of early 20s. So although these lines join at an early age, but the impact that these lines have is throughout your life, not necessarily only for one particular year. So this outlook of growth orientation, being seeking growth and expansion, seeking honor, would remain throughout their life. It's not only limited only for 1 or 2 years. So these lines are beautiful lines for a person to reach to a higher position. It could be government, it could be governance. Governance is an open word where governance can be in private sector, in government sector, or any other sector, or religion as well. So Jupiter lines are considered to be extremely good. We see these lines to some extent on both the hands, not necessarily only one hand. In the left hand it is comparatively weaker, but it is there. Now we move on to the fifth point that we were referring to, break in the money line somewhere close to the age of 53. Now 53 is the intersection. This is the, if we draw the money line, this is the line of head, intersection, and the line of heart. So the intersection of head and the money line is age 35 in palmistry. Intersection of money line, the fate line, and the line of heart line, this intersection in palmistry is called age 53. So what you notice out here is that as the money line approaches the heart line, it kind of ends. Ending of the money line is not generally considered to be a very good indication, but even if there's a break in the money line, do not get alarmed. Do not think everything is going to go bad, because there could be few good lines in your palm as well. So the lines that you have in your past, like the money triangle, a strong Mercury line, upward lines on the mount of Jupiter, and the Mercury lines, many of these lines support the person in times of need. And apart from that, you would also notice that this is the line of sun. Now the line of sun, you would notice, is much more deeper and clearer after the age of 53. So this is the heart line, and the line of sun out here, this is the line of sun, the line of Apollo. In palmistry, we can call it Apollo line or sun line. After the age of 53, the line of sun is much more deeper and clearer. So deeper and clearer sun line means that the person is energizing their work. Now you don't think that if let's draw another sun line, and this is the line of head and this is the line of heart. So this portion is before the age of 35, this is 35 to 53, and this is beyond the age of 53. So don't think, you would also question there's an absence of the sun line out here. So don't think absence of the sun line is considered to be bad. It's just that the line of sun or any other line should not be very weak kind of line, very thin kind of line, barely visible kind of line. Those lines are considered, see these kind of lines that I'm drawing, these are very thin kind of lines. Those lines are considered to be bad because it brings in doubt, and doubts is the worst possible thing for success. So a person who is doubtful, they may have all the capabilities, but still they would not be successful because of the doubts within them. So removal of doubts is necessary, but in this case, the absence of the line is seen in the earlier portion. The line of sun develops somewhere before it touches the heart line. So before the age of 53, the line develops. So we can say somewhere close to the age the person is traveling, probably 48, 49. This is the age when the sun line is developing and is deep and clear. It signifies that the person is energizing their work. Now, I try to reason out how I say that a sun line is good. See, sun line, if it is very weak and thin, it means that there are lots of clouds in the sky. There are lots of clouds and the line is barely visible. So it basically signifies that the chances for the person being able to energize their work is going to be less. And the second thing is, if the line is deep and clear, it means that the sun is shining bright and you can see your path very clear. The car you're traveling in, you can see your road very clearly. So that's the reason why you're able to run your car at a great speed. So sunline is in this way. So we were talking about the break in the line of money. So break in the line of money could mean major changes that are likely to take place in a person's life, and it doesn't mean that the person would completely change their work, because both the head and the lifeline are joined together at the start. I would advise the person to remain committed to what they have been doing, because this is what they specialize in, and you can change your company, you can change your work a little bit, but the things that you already know, those are the things that you basically should be doing. You shouldn't be doing anything completely different. Now lastly, although there's a break out here in the money line that I've already talked about, money line break could bring about losses, loss of money, loss of business loss, or any other kind of loss, or some problem or the other can also be seen on the line of money. But if we notice that this is the portion of the headline that is remaining in his case, this is after the age of 40s. So if there is a clarity in the line of head towards the end, it means anything the person is expecting is going to be predictable. It's nothing going to be too unpredictable kind of a situation the person is going to be in. So I would say that life is going to be good, and there would be lots of clarity in their thought process, and apart from clarity, no such untoward incident is going to take place that is going to trouble this person heavily. Now one more thing I need to add out here, one more line I would just add, that I did not mention the first point that we were mentioning, the first slide that I showed, that 6 points. I'm adding another point, that is the line of heart. Now this is the line of heart. You would notice that there are island like formations on the line of heart under the finger of sun. This is the finger of sun. Island on the heart line could signify heart or eye related issues. This is one way of looking at it. The second way of looking at the island could be elongated period of emotional stress and anxiety. So this could be another way of looking at it. The third is that the line basically continues out here, and then you would notice that there's a big branch hanging downwards from your heart line to the headline. Now in the right hand you can't see these lines very clearly, because it can be said that this is the heart line. Is the branch hanging from the heart line downwards out here, or it could be reversed? This is the line of head and there's an upward line. So if there's an upward line from the headline, pointing towards the amount of Mercury, it's a good indication. It means upliftment of mind, and that too happening somewhere from the age of 20 to 30. That's the approximate age I would say. But in this case, I am assuming that there's a branch from the heartline pointing downwards towards the headline. It basically signifies that the chances are that the person may have some relation that is going to bring anxiety, stress, and that too in the later portion of one's life, because this is the starting point of the heartline and this is the ending portion of the heartline. So some stress, anxiety issues are going to be there. The person may give his money or time or effort or energy to somebody who is not worth his affection. So the person needs to be a little bit careful regarding this, and if the person is careful, the chances for negative impact on the person's heart are going to be less. Now we take a look to get more clarity regarding the line that we were referring to. We are also taking a look at the left hand as well. Now this is the heart line, and in this hand I assume you can see very clearly that the line of a branch is hanging downwards from the heart line to the headline. So this is you can see it much more clearly. So it's a negative sign, and there are one or two branches. Now these branches could also mean diversion. It could mean distraction, and distractions is always bad. It's always good to offer your life to a single relationship or a cause. That's when your life falls in place. That's considered to be much more better compared to if the person is flirting around. Flirting around doesn't mean flirting with your relations, but or flirting with women, but flirting could be any kind, flirting with your job as well. So I would advise the person to remain committed to what they have been doing. Probably things are going to fall in place, and that's the reason why everything is going to be good. Now these branch that I talked about can be seen in different light as well. Imagine there's a physical heart and a branch is hanging downwards, and a lots of weight is hanging onto the branch. The rope is hanging on your physical heart, and it is pulling your heart downwards. So anxiety and your heart is getting tired. If your heart gets tired and that too towards the later portion of your life, then basically it's a little bit negative sign. And try to do breathing exercises, try to remove all the distractions. That's when everything is going to fall in place. In the left hand also, I would just repeat that there's a break in the money line, there's a break in the money line, the fate line, and as it touches the heart line, there's a break. So this break is happening and a new line is developing. So if there's a new line of money, and that too it is deep and clear, and it is clear, so we would just say that there could be few problems that may arise somewhere close to the age of 53, 54. Now this age could be plus minus years, so don't think that it's going to be exactly just like that. And apart from this money line, there is also a parallel line. Now this line could be the sun line or the supporting money line. So if this is the supporting money line, it could mean benefits coming to this particular person. So both hands, left and right hand, you can see clear, deep and clear sun lines. Now this sun line could be in the middle, so it's a combination of sun and Mercury. Either way, if it is the sun line or the money line, both are considered to be good indication, nothing to worry about. You would also notice that in the money line there's a V-like formation somewhere close to the age of after the age of 44. Having a V-like formation is considered to be good, and it brings much more money during that particular portion of one's life. That money triangle is explained in a little bit different way also. This is money triangle. It's pointing towards 3 fingers. Saturn is for money in palmistry. Sun is for creativity, art and music, and risk-taking abilities. And this is the area of your this is the area of creativity, the sun finger, and this is the area of your skill. So energies is penetrating from each fingers of different kind. Different kind means this is the money energies, this is the skill energies, or light is penetrating your fingers and entering your palm means entering your life, and they are getting accumulated out here. So money triangle is considered to be good because it kind of accumulates wealth during those particular years that we find out here. Now lastly, one more thing I would add before I end this particular video. You would notice that this is the lifeline. Upward lines pointing towards the fingers are considered to be good. It means you get something from your life, luck happening in your life. And we just take a last look at the line of life. Now this is a very important aspect. You would notice that this is the line of life. This is the original lifeline. Now it can also be seen that both these lines, the head and the lifeline, are joined here at the start at a very long duration of time. This is one way of looking, but you would notice that this could be the original lifeline. So whenever the lifeline makes a smaller semicircle encircling two mounts, this is the area of Mars. Mars is the area of fire, the fire within us, and this is the area of Venus. So if it makes a smaller semicircle, it means that the person has got less fire and less fuel within the person. Venus is for the energy and stamina and vitality and the desires within you. So bigger semicircle, when you see a bigger semicircle, it means that some upliftment is happening. More fire is coming into this particular person. More fire means more success, and more fire in more energy also out here, because bigger semicircle means more surface area to the amount of Venus, means more desires and more energy. So the chances for their success increases. Now we are talking specifically what's going to happen now. What you notice is that this is the, if we consider this is the lifeline, you would notice that there's another overlapping lifeline out here. Now this overlapping lifeline is also considered to be a good sign, because what is happening, that more energies, more area comes into the lifeline in circle. So more energies is only going to happen when something good is happening in their life. If imagine I'm telling the reverse, this is the lifeline, it ends out here, and another lifeline develops somewhere out here. It means less area to the Venus means something bad is happening, the person's desires are dipping and everything is going down. So that's a negative aspect. One more thing I need to add out here just for explanation purpose. Let's take, this is the line of life. Now in this case it's overlapping something like this, so it's a good sign. But imagine if there was a line that was pointing purely on the amount of moon, then it would be negative sign, because it would indicate loss of health and loss of health. But because in this case, in this particular person's case, it's overlapping, it's a beautiful sign to have. And the age could be the person where the person is traveling right now. It could be a little bit backward, like somewhere close to the age of 44. It could be around 40s, I would say. I can't pinpoint exactly, but around the age of this. Both the amount of Mars and Venus is reasonably good. It means that there are not many crisscrossing lines over it, so it's a good indication to have less lines over it. Lesser lines are always better than more lines over the amount of any amount as specific. And I would just end the video out here. Before I end my video, I would just repeat few things that I repeat in almost every video, that is, we can come to know about money from our heart line, our headline, life, sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, or any other line. Importance of money line in terms of how much money we would make in our life is just 15%. So in palmistry, do not think that only the money line is important for money. Even your headline, as I've explained in the video, even the headline plays a major role. Every line plays a major role in your life, because money is a common question that everybody has. That's the reason why I gave more importance to the money aspect. Now, a saint once said, you don't need to go to an astrologer or a palmist to know about your future, because you already know your future. Present is a result of past. How will be my future? Future depends upon what you are doing in the present. What are we? We are product of our thoughts. So the thoughts that come to our mind are really important. Keep positive thoughts, keep good company. That's what matters the most. And palmistry is just indicative. Don't think it's everything. And if you keep good company, and even if you have got negative signs on your palm, it doesn't matter much. And even if you have the best kind of lines, and if you have bad company, then negative things are likely to take place in your life. Lastly, I would request everybody watching this video, please ask your questions in the comment section down below. Watch the video very carefully and ask very specific, meaningful questions. Bye and take care.